Today we're going to take an in-depth look at pilar cysts, but of course viewer discretion is advised. Pilar cysts are formed at the base of a hair follicle, and they're most common in areas of dense hair, and thus 90% of them are on the scalp. Only 30% of scalp cysts like this are solitary, meaning there's only one. 70% of the time, there's multiple scalp cysts. This Indian dermatology patient has multiple giant pilar cysts. I've actually got 6 different pictures of him and a case report, so comment below if we should cover him in a future video. Histologically speaking, these types of cysts are lined by stratified squamous epithelium. This epithelium lacks granular cell layer and is filled with a wet keratin. Surgical removal is the best way to treat one of these cysts, and it's important to take out the entire sac. Oftentimes cyst sacs dissolve when there's infection. However, it's very unlikely to get an infection on your scalp due to its vascularity. If you have a recommendation for a video, go ahead and leave that below and let us know if we should cover that man's giant pilar cysts.
Hey there, Pimple Popper fans! If there's one thing we learned, it's the importance of good hygiene and that germs, viruses, and bacteria can do real damage. In other words, keep your bacteria-covered hands off your face. That's why I recommend a professional comedone extractor kit like this. Available from Amazon with Amazon Prime, these exquisite pimple popper tools are made of the highest quality stainless steel, and they come in a handy case. So don't risk getting nasty bacteria and viruses into your delicate pores. Cellulitis, staph, and other dangerous microbes are real and prominent dangers. So pick up a pimple popper kit for each member of your household and show them that you care about their safety. There's an Amazon link in the description below.
If you're watching on a desktop, you'll see 3 different videos or playlists that I recommend. So go ahead and check one of those out. I think you're going to like it. Thanks for watching.